In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Siri on an iPhone 16. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Siri is available for all models of iPhones and also iPads. And of course, it is going to work natively on your iPhone 16. Siri is your very own personal assistant. She will be able to answer any questions that you have, help you with basic commands. You can ask for directions, ask for information, and Siri will always be available to help you. If you would like to use her on your iPhone 16, all that you have to do is loudly say into the microphone of your iPhone 16 the command "Hey Siri." So when you say "Hey Siri" or simply "Siri," she should activate. If Siri does not pop up, then you can double check if she is set up by going to the settings, finding the Siri category, and then enabling it from here. You will be able to customize the language in which the responses will be given to you. You can customize which voice Siri will use, so they have some presets like American, Australian, Indian, and you can choose from a variety of voices. And you can set up voice recognition, so Siri will always be able to recognize your own voice, and you can even make it so she won't respond when other people say "Hey Siri." When you say "Hey Siri," a menu will appear, and now you can do your task execution. So you can make phone calls by telling Siri to call a specific contact. You can send message by telling Siri to text a specific message and then state it to the microphone. You can set up alarms, create events, get directions, and so on. Siri is incredibly versatile. She works on her own, or you can integrate her with third-party applications, and she can be activated by saying "Hey Siri" into the microphone. As long as you set it up using your voice, Siri will always be available regardless of where you are using your phone. I hope I was able to help you with how to use Siri on an iPhone 16. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.